Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the Glass Pro Plus screen protector for your iPad 2021 iPad Pro 2021 11-inch. So I'm just going to open this one up. Just got this one from eBay for around $10. Alright, so I'm just going to cut it open. It's on the other side, so I'm going to cut it on this side here. Okay, so I'm gonna open it and then let's have a look. There's another one. I need to cut down here, another sticky tape. Probably one on the other end as well. Alright, so this is the glass. So inside this box packaging, there is a dry wipe and alcohol wipe, a dust absorber. Now when you are buying a screen protector, it is important that the screen protector is compatible with your iPad. So this one here on the surface is feel very smooth. Actually a lot smoother than the iPad screen itself. So I've got the iPad screen right here, but it's not very smooth compared to the screen protector. The screen protector is super smooth. And let's look at the round edges on this screen protector right here. So you can see the thickness of this screen protector. So this one I got on eBay. There is a film cover that you need to peel out. Now when buying for your iPad, as I say, it's quite important that it is compatible with your case. And before you take it off, make sure you try it on with the case on like this, and then just place it over the iPad to see if it fits inside the case. If it does not, that means your case is too big for the screen protector. Now as you can see right here, this one here is actually too big for the case. And as I say, if you buy one and if it's larger than the screen protector, larger than the case, you can see right here it does not fit in. And what happened is when you put the case on, it either pushes the screen protector upwards or it's going to crack around the edge. So for this one here, it doesn't actually fit with this case, as you can see. So I'm just going to have to use it without the screen protector on. In this case, you can see when I go onto the edge up here at the edge, and you can see how much left over down here. So it definitely won't fit with this case. Now sometimes it's hard. You might need to get a measurement on your case. So just get the measurements on your case from the top edge to the bottom edge. So from this top edge down to this bottom edge down here, and get a measurement and then just send a message to the supplier and ask them for a width and a height and see if it actually fits inside the case. This is actually a good case. However, you can see it's got quite good protections for the iPad. However, because of this enclosing at the border, it is actually too much space taking up on the screen space. That's why it won't fit with this screen protector. So I'm just gonna have to pack this screen protector away and save it for a different case, where I have another case where it does not actually go all the way in too much inside on the border here. And yeah, so just want to share with you that when you are purchasing your screen protectors, make sure that it is compatible with the case. I have a very good kind of like suspicions that this screen protector will not fit with this case here at all. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.